Hello kids, let's read a story. The Thirsty Crow. Once upon a time, there was a crow. He was very thirsty. He flew about in search of water. However, he could not find it anywhere. At last, he reached a beautiful garden. There he saw a pitcher of water. The water was too low, his beak could not reach the pitcher. He saw the pebbles lying nearby. He hit upon a plan. He brought the pebbles one by one and dropped them into the pitcher. The water rose, he drank water and flew away. He was very happy. So, what's the moral of the story? Necessity is the mother of invention. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you.